Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl Nene Jane. I'm back at it again with another. Ooh, yikes! I'm back at it again with another video. If you guys like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, as well as make sure that you subscribe and make sure that notification bell is on so you can keep up with all my updates. Cause YouTube really do be tripping. Anyway, so I'm pretty much like cleaning out my makeup stash and kind of like reorganizing some things. So I'm just getting rid of things of like what I want, what I don't want, etc., etc. So yeah, like obviously you guys can see that my room is literally like a mess. Like my bed isn't even made up, but that's okay. Well, it's not okay, but it's okay. So right now, like I have a pile on my bed and I'm just doing what's in my makeup stash somewhat ish, because I think I'm gonna just, what I really want to do is like I want to throw this whole more situation like away and like get something else. That's what I really want to do, but hopefully like that will happen soon or something like that. So like what I'm doing, like I'm just cleaning out the makeup that's in here, and so pretty much like this is what I'm keeping. Like right here, this is what I'm keeping, and either that's what I'm gonna like probably give away. Yeah, that's what I'm probably gonna give away, and this is pretty much like what I'm throwing out, I feel. So yeah, I think that's just what I'm gonna do. So yeah. Okay, so pretty much this is all like of the stuff that I'm like throwing out. This back row here. I'm gonna like keep the lashes. Like I'm actually probably gonna give these lashes away to somebody. And I feel like these two highlighting palettes, I have the light and the dark. I feel like these are kind of, they may be usable, like they work if your skin is wet, but I feel like these are kind of chalky to me. So I'm not really sure if I would actually give these to somebody, but then again, I don't know, somebody may actually want them. So we'll see. This eyebrow gel is actually like the first eyebrow gel that I use. Personally, like in my makeup routine and in the products that I feel that work for me, I feel like I kind of upgraded. So like eyebrow gels, I'm not really here for it unless it's like the clear eyebrow gels. Yeah, and this stuff, like I would do my eyebrows like on Monday, and I will be good until like Wednesday or Thursday. Like this stuff was so hard to get off. So, and it said it's like 24 hours, but it was more like 72 hours because this stuff stuck. Okay, and also like I noticed that I had like a lot of makeup still from when I had first started. Like this LA Girl translucent powder, I really did not like it at all. It gave me major flashback. So right now I'm just looking for setting powders that wouldn't give me flashback. And I think my friend Ashley had told me it was like what to look for in powders, but I forgot. But hopefully, I think like knowing me, I probably screenshotted it, so it's probably somewhere in my screenshots. But I have like hella screenshots, so who's gonna look through that? But excuse my foot. But anyway, so then I have like these brow. Oh my god, bronzers. I can't speak. These bronzers from e.l.f. Personally, I never really got to use them because number one, they're too light for me. I'm sorry. They're too light for me, and they came in the package broken already. So that was definitely a no-no for me. So if anything, like I might just give them away because they're pretty, like they're actually new. They just came broken. So, and I had never used them. These eyebrow powders, I used to use eyebrow powders when I first started, but I'm more into like pencils and pomades. So like I think I'm good with that. I don't really do powders anymore. I don't really see the necessity to have a powder. I swatched these off camera. This one looks dirty. Okay, I swatched these off camera and they're still very pigmented, especially the blacks. So, but since I used them, like I wouldn't really like any of these products that like I decided to give away. I wouldn't give them to like my subscribers or anything because I don't feel comfortable giving somebody my used makeup. If anything, I'll probably give this to like a family member. So that's pretty much it. A lot of this other stuff, like this is the cream to powder foundation by Nika K. This is actually too light for me, and I've had this for like I want to say 3 years, and now I have other foundation. Now I'm like I'm okay. I feel like I'm like in my makeup routine or whatever. I feel like I'm more comfortable using using foundation instead of like a cream to powder foundation. I do have a powder foundation that I would use to like set my makeup, but that's really about it that I'll probably use. This right here is actually another, I think it's another one. No, it's a powder by Ruby Kisses. Ruby Kisses, actually, they have decent quality products. I'm gonna be honest with you, and this stuff was like $5 at the beauty supply store. So, and this color was in the color Ebony. And it was just a powder, honestly, that I really don't. I can't remember if it worked on me because this stuff. It's really about time to get rid of this anyway. It's like 3 years old, and also I used to use this a lot. This is the Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator. This one on the top here was in the color level 15, and then I would use level 16, which is the one on the bottom. These are all dirty, by the way. I'll use level 16 to contour, but if anything, I should have been using level 16 as my face. Yeah, for my face. And maybe like some other color if they had anything darker than that for contour, because when I actually look at some of my older pictures, my face will be bright and then my neck will be like dark as hell. So so it was just, it's a mess. But I didn't know, I was generally a beginner, but now I'm kind of like, okay, my camera died. But anyway, so another thing, I think I might just give this away. This is the e.l.f. Aqua Beauty Aqua Infused Blush and Bronzer in bronze, pink, beige. Personally, I actually was really rocking with this collection. Like from e.l.f., like the products felt really good. Honestly, like it was very, I don't know, it just felt really good. Like I don't think I couldn't use it because it was too bright for me. But it felt, oh, let me open it. Okay, like as you can see, I did swatch it, and like it was creamy, honestly, and it was like, it's cold, honestly, and it feels really good. But I just feel like it's too bright for my skin tone, honestly, and I was big mad because this stuff felt so good. Honestly, just touching it, it felt really good. And also the mirror is, to me, it was a good quality mirror as well. So yeah, but that's that. So yeah, so pretty much all of that over there with the bag and that palette and all this other stuff, pretty much that's just like what I'm keeping. The bag is a whole bunch of lashes. Like I like to keep lashes stocked. I usually go to the beauty supply store for my lashes, which I have mentioned before. Those are some e.l.f. products. I have a lot of ColourPop. Those are some Juvia's Paste palettes. These right here, I've actually had for a good long time. I really want to say I had it for like 5 years. Honestly, they don't even make this stuff anymore. This is the CoverGirl. What's the name? I don't have the name on it. Okay, this is the CoverGirl Intense Shadow Blast primer in a rich shadow. This color, it's like they don't have it on the actual like product, but it was like, I think it's jade green or something like that. Yeah, the name of it, and I have it in pink and blue as well. The pink one I might throw it away because it doesn't even show up as pink. Like, it shows up as like a white, and it's not really like pigmented like that. Like, it's very streaky, so it's probably like I really wouldn't even use that. But then again, like, you really gotta cut it some slack because it's like 5 years old. And then is this the one that opened? Oh yeah, wait, hold on. This one I had 2 green ones right here, and this one, does it have the name on it? It doesn't have the name on it, but it just says 820 at the bottom. But yeah, I don't know. But the green one was actually pretty okay, I feel. But like, they're all kind of streaky. So if anything, like, I would probably just, I don't know, like, I would probably like use it as like a base or whatever. But like, since I don't really have to even use these, I guess I'm just like, I'm gonna go ahead and like throw these away, because I really don't need these, honestly. So this is just gonna go in the throwaway pile. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, so that's all that I'm gonna throw away from what's in the armoire, I guess that's what it's called. And yeah, I hope to really like redecorate my room, because having my makeup in that it's just been so, it's just been a bit much, honestly. It's just so messy. Okay, so pretty much this room is a little messy right now, please excuse it. But this is my makeup room, if that makes sense. And you know, I have my my 2 lights. You don't see my ring stand because I had put it in my room to use it as a tripod for when I was doing the in my room film. Well, in my room scene clip, I guess. And then when you guys will always see me bending down, I'm bending down into this. This bin is full of makeup, and this is just like the makeup that I will most likely use. So I cleaned out a couple shelves in here. This was like scars and stuff, but I cleaned out like a couple shelves in here. And what I'm gonna do is, like, I guess the first drawer will be like, I'll say palettes, and then next the second drawer will be like, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so pretty much like I'm almost done. Like, I have no idea how, I really don't know where I'm gonna put like the rest of this stuff, but I'm gonna show you how my drawers look, and that's really about it. I think I might, I don't know, I haven't decided yet where I'm gonna put this, because I still have like my gems. Ooh. I still have like my gems and stuff, and yeah, and like my glitter glues and whatever. But all it is that you see on the floor right now is probably like trash. Okay, so pretty much right here, I'm gonna keep my brushes like right here. Yeah, I'm weird. I'm really just weird like this. I literally have my brushes in a pickle jar. Yes, I'm really just that weird. So now we're gonna go into this first drawer, which is nothing but eyeshadow products. As you can see, this is literally the eye drawer. Personally, like, my favorite thing to buy is really like my eyeshadow. It's really eyeshadow, so like I have a lot of eyeshadow stuff. Right here in this bag is eyeliners and mascaras. Hopefully, like, I really do want to upgrade to like getting some kind of I want to like storage bins, like how the other YouTubers would have, and like kind of like section it off so it wouldn't have to be like this. But it was like, this is actually much neater than what I have before. I have a whole lot of small eye stuff. So this is like eyeshadow bases, brows. I have liners like below this, and eyeshadow primers and things like that. That's a brow gel, and I have like mascaras that I usually would use, and then everything else is like here. So like whatever little stuff that you would see out, like how this is out and everything like that, this is what like I'm most likely to grab. So I just leave those out. Then, okay, in this second drawer, this is where I keep all my face stuff. So I have like my primers and setting sprays over here. My highlighters and powders are like somewhat in the middle. Like I have the Jackie Aina Artist Couture collab, and then I love MAC highlighters, so that's what I see. So that's what you see a lot of, like right at the bottom here. And then I have like my blushes and things like that underneath. And over here is like powders to foundation and my concealers. This bag is actually full of like concealers, and these concealers that you see in the corner here, that's what I'm more likely to grab. This right here is actually a foundation stick, but the consistency of it reminds me of concealer, and I actually like to use it as a concealer, like when I'm doing my cut creases or as like a base for my eyes and stuff. And so that's why I have it towards the concealer section. I actually like this setup that I had created here because it makes me, like, it lets me see like everything that I have and what I need to buy more of. Pretty much, as you can see, I need to buy more like foundation and things like that. But like I would say like foundation and powders, I would say. Also, so next I have this last drawer, which is all of my lip products and my lashes. I have this, this is actually the eyeshadow box to the Jocelyn Hill palette. I just used it as like a barrier. And so like right here on this, well, it might show up as the right side on the video, but it's really my left. All here is lipsticks, and here is kind of like my chapstick collection that I have. This right here is actually like, it's kind of, I don't really know what to how to describe this, but I got it from the beauty supply store. It's like Vaseline. To me, it's like minty Vaseline, but I really do like it. And it's like 99 cents or whatever. And then, you know, beauty supply store lip gloss, you cannot beat them, be honest with you. And then, yeah, I keep stacked on lashes and things like that. So yeah, so pretty much, yeah, this is really it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and, you know, like, share and whatnot. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.